In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Navigation Pane in Microsoft Word. If you want to use Navigation Pane, first you want to go View tab. Then simply here you see the Show panel, and this is the checkbox of Navigation Pane. Simply click on it. Your Navigation Pane is open at the left side. If you have heading in your multiple pages, you can see heading here. I didn't have, so there is no heading in there. Go to page and see how many pages in your document. I have 3. Here you can see. You can simply see the whole document, how many page in your document. You can see from here. Simply click on it and go to the existing page. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new videos.